Who doesn't like a perfectly shifting mountain bike or bike in general? We've all been in that situation. We're making those fine-tune adjustments to our drivetrain, and no matter what we do, we just can't get it right. We try adjusting the barrel adjuster up top. We try working on the limit screws or the chain gap or B tension screw. And no matter what we do, we're getting improper shifting. Well, the cause of that, in some cases, may be a bent derailleur hanger. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you what steps are needed in order to replace the hanger when we know it is in fact bent. I want to take a minute to thank today's video sponsor, DerailleurHanger.com. DerailleurHanger.com is a great online resource with a database of hundreds of different derailleur hangers, searchable by bike manufacturer. Here we see the derailleur on the bike. The derailleur does not attach directly to the bike frame itself. There is a hanger that connects to the bike frame and then to the derailleur. The job of the derailleur hanger is to be a sacrificial part. Therefore, when biking, especially in mountain biking, if our derailleur impacts the ground or impacts any object, instead of the derailleur becoming damaged, our hanger, being the sacrificial part, bends in place. A lot of times when the hanger becomes bent, we can bend it straight again with a proper alignment tool. But in some cases, it becomes so bent, or we bent it too many times and made too many corrections, that it's no longer a viable part, and at that point it needs to be replaced. Here is a more close-up view of the derailleur hanger. We have the bike frame coming down. We then have the hanger, which I'm pointing to right here, that connects to the derailleur. With the rear wheel removed, we now have access to the hanger, which is right here. We're going to have two fasteners we need to remove. The derailleur fastener screw that goes into the hanger, as well as the hanger screw that attaches the hanger to the bike. Let's go ahead and remove those two. The derailleur is fastened to the hanger with a 5mm hex screw that we're going to remove. With the derailleur retention screw removed, we can now move the derailleur away from the bike and place it to the side. We now are able to remove the retaining screw for the hanger itself. In this application, a 3mm hex to get it off. With the hex screw removed, we can now remove the derailleur hanger from the bike. Once you have the old derailleur hanger off, you're going to want to lay it beside the new one and just ensure that the dimensions and overall shape are identical. This will be crucial to make sure it's going to work. In this case, the new hanger is an identical match to the one that's coming off the bike. Some crucial steps upon reinstallation of the new derailleur hanger. You're going to want to clean the mating surface or the pocket where the hanger fits into to remove any debris or contamination. This will ensure that the hanger will sit flush into its recessed pocket. It's now time to reinstall the hanger. Crucial, we're going to want to use some medium strength thread locker on both the fastener screws. For the install, it's going to be the reversal of what we did. We're going to place the derailleur hanger into its recessed pocket in the bike frame, and we're going to reinsert our small hex screw. The same is going to apply when we reinstall our derailleur onto the bike. Some thread locker on the derailleur fastener is crucial. With the derailleur now reinstalled, we could go ahead and install the tire back onto the bike. And there you have it, guys, how to remove and reinstall a derailleur hanger. Now, obviously, depending on the bike and the drivetrain, the steps that I took may differ from yours, but it gives you a general overview of how it's done. Now, in terms of checking your derailleur hanger, if it's out of shape, if it's bent, I didn't go into detail on that because I'm not an expert on that, and there's so many good resources and videos out there showing you how to do it and what specialized tools are needed. So thanks a lot for watching, guys.